Do you want me to?
No, you don't have to do it.
All right.
Hey, save the Las Vegas for me.
Did anybody watch that late show on ABC last night?
No, she was.
Well, you didn't miss much.
Hey, are the graphics ready for the second show?
I'll get them ready.
Okay, let's hurry.
All right, everybody. Let's try and make Nikki look good.
Ungrateful.
So, thanks for having me on the show today.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, of course.
So, when did you
A week ago, we got a call from the country, and basically was on a team out
So you're saying that this hidden fault may produce more earthquakes? How severe do you estimate they'll be?
Unfortunately, we cannot predict severity at this time. We are currently developing technology to address this problem.
Wasn't a gas reported in the area?
We're investigating that as well. I myself took the first readings from a 4-foot crack about 600 yards long, and the farmer who owns the land on which the crack is says that it's supposedly new.
So what is this gas?
Well, the gas is mysterious, and nothing is conclusive, and testing it's not very fast if you want it accurate.
Are the rumors true that the gas is causing some kind of sickness?
I haven't heard of anything like that. Remember, I was around the gas and feel no ill side effects.
Let's hope you stay that way. Well, we're out of time. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Theo Ciantes. I'm Nikki Valentino from Waycross Weekly Insights. Join us next time when we interview Dr. Phil about foot size and what it says about you.
All right, everybody, good show. That's a wrap.
Thank you for having me today.
Dr. Ciantes, thank you for coming on such short notice. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for having me. I'm sorry I couldn't tell more information today, but yeah. So, you missed out that Valentino is. I would like to thank her.
She had a phone call to take, and she asked me to show you the way out and to thank you.
Can I go to the control room? I always wanted to, and now I have the chance.
Control room, sure. I'll show you the way out.
Thank you.
Dr. Theo Ciantes, this is Cyrus, our director.
Hey, how's it going?
Cyrus, Dr. Ciantes would like to look around the control room.
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Hey.
So basically, this is a vector scope. It controls your color temperatures and stuff like that. Strictly off the record, what's with this gas?
Well, like I said, I was exposed to actually a lot, but I feel no effects, and I'm sure there's nothing to it.
Okay. Well, keep us posted, will you? Oh crap, I gotta go find Nikki before she leaves. I'll be right back.
Can I just look at everything? I'm a bit of a stereo buff too.
Sure.
Hey, Carmen, we need you on set for a moment.
This will only take a few minutes. I'll be back, and I'll escort you to the lobby. It's one of the rules.
So we need to get that done.
Okay, thanks for telling me, Dawn. I'll make sure I tell Nikki before the second.
Dawn.
What on earth? Oh my gosh, I guess so. What the heck?
I don't even...
No. Guys, I think we've got trouble. Dr. Theo's in the control room acting crazy. People are in the building. I think we should really...
But I'm just staying there. Help me. You have no idea what's going on out there.
What's going on? Let me in. It's Nikki.
Are you insane? Don't open that door.
That's Nikki out there. Let her in.
Let me in. It's Nikki. What's going on out there?
That gas, it's dangerous. Dr. Theo is infected and crazy.
I can't stay in here. I'm having trouble breathing. I hate being in close spaces for long.
Don't you get it, Nikki? You leave this studio, and breathing will be the last of your troubles.
I need out of here. Let me go. I don't want to die because of you people. I can't stand this. This is so stupid.
I have to go. I can't wait any longer. Think it's safe to go outside?
I feel the same way, but there's no way I'm going out yet.
I can't wait any longer.
Oh my god! Nikki, are you alright? Nikki!
Is she gone?
No, she didn't make it. If we stay here, no one's gonna make it.
Well, I'm getting thirsty and hungry. I need food, and my sugar is getting low. Carmen, food now.
What do you expect me to do? Run to Walmart? All our food's gone in case you haven't noticed.
Well, I'm getting thirsty.
You're welcome.
Thanks?
Authorities are warning everyone to stay inside until more is known about this potentially deadly outbreak.
Oh, God. What?
Looks like we stay here till the authorities save us, or we die.
I'm from New Orleans. Don't hold your breath waiting for the government to help.
You shouldn't give up hope so easily.
Give up? Looks pretty hopeless to me. Why are you so talkative, Mr. Optimist?
If you are alive, then there's hope.
Great. A fortune cookie prophet?
You don't even know my name, but you are quick to make fun of me. Why is that?
I'm not making fun of you. Oh crap. Yes, I am. You're this creepy guy that wanders around here messing with all the electrical stuff all the time.
You know, I don't think I've ever heard you talk to anyone.
Who are you? Where are you from?
At home, I was a scientist. A great scientist. Whose family drowned coming to this country. I say nothing because I have nothing to say.
So what are you doing in a TV station?
That is a good question. Answers, not so good.
You risked your life for me back there, and the whole time I've known you, I've been rude to you. All of you.
I've been your right hand since forever, Nikki. Just treat me like a friend, an equal.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you. Why aren't you men trying to get us out of here?
Now she's interested in equality.
Cyrus, please, do you have anything useful to contribute?
Man, I just don't know, guys.
The health department has just released a bulletin. A vaccine has been discovered. The police and military are working on ways of getting the vaccine from the Waycross medical supply labs to the local population.
Cyrus, that building is next to ours. I mean, right next door. We should go there.
What's next door?
The end of this nightmare.
God, what's the matter with you people?
The radio said there's a vaccine. It's next door at the medical place.
Well, we need a distraction to get over there.
Well, what's a good distraction?
I don't know, an explosion, something blowing up.
Does anybody have any firecrackers left over from the 4th?
Then we're the distraction.
Us?
Well, I'm open for any better ideas. Any ideas?
I don't know, it beats me.
Alright, well, I guess I'll go. But save me some of that vaccine. I don't intend to die, I'm just probably going to. Alright guys, come on. Oh my god! They're out there. What are we gonna do?
Cyrus, wait. I'll go.
What?
No, Nikki, I don't want to lose you now.
Not good idea.
You get the vaccine and save some for me. I don't intend to die. I gotta go before I change my mind.
Nikki, what?
Nikki! 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 Nikki!
Run, guys, run!
You need to go like now.
Containment breach. We lost them. They're out in the open.